In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to connect a bank directly or bring in transactions from a file, and how to set up the account inside your chart of accounts so everything posts cleanly. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing in. From the left menu, hover your mouse over Accounting. When the options expand, go to Bank Transactions. This is the hub where you connect accounts and review imported activity. At the top of this page, look for the Link Account button and select it. A search window opens where you can look up your bank. Type the bank name and choose it from the list. QuickBooks will guide you through a secure connection process. Have your bank login ready, and when prompted, choose which specific bank accounts you want to connect, like checking or savings, and set a reasonable start date for the initial download to avoid bringing in years of data you don't need. After confirming, QuickBooks will begin pulling recent transactions. If your bank isn't supported or you prefer not to connect directly, you can use the file upload route. Back on the bank transactions page, click the drop-down next to Link Account and choose Upload from File. Select the statement file you exported from your bank, such as CSV, QBO, or OFX, and follow the prompts to map the date, description, and amount columns accurately. Pay attention to signs on amounts so deposits and payments import correctly. When you're asked which QuickBooks account these transactions belong to, open the drop-down and choose Add New Account. This creates the register where your transactions will live. Enter a clear account name, like business checking, or a name that matches your bank ledger so reporting is intuitive. Next, set the account type. For bank accounts, choose bank, and if prompted for a detail type, this ISO will pick the most accurate option, such as checking or savings. This classification controls how the account appears on your balance sheet and how QuickBooks treats the transactions, so take a moment to get it right. Click Save to create the account and proceed. QuickBooks will finish importing and then take you to the For Review tab, where you'll categorize, add payees, and match items to existing records. If you connected the bank directly and you see duplicates later, adjust your start date next time or use the Exclude option to prevent double counting. After importing, consider reconciling regularly so your bank balance and QuickBooks balance stay aligned. That's it. Your bank account is added and your data is ready for review and categorization.